What's up guys, Karus here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today we are going to see how to play any video format in your Android device, and then be sure to smash that like button below. That being said, let's get started. Open your Play Store and search MX Player and click download. When download finished and installed, open MX Player and then go to settings and click decoding option. Click HW plus decode option and scroll down and click speed up trick. Go to color format and change to 32-bit and click on core limit and select 8 cores, and then play any video format. It will play smooth without any lag. That's about this video guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Be sure to hit thumbs up. Always thanks for watching. My name is Par.